Look at that. Look at this. This is nasty. Oh, gross. Would you want to be living with that? Very curious what's inside. Wow. Look at those roaches. All of that. I need to check this hive. A lot of people ask me, if you don't wear a suit, then why do you wear the veil and gloves? Well, stings to the face suck, and the gloves because everything's sticky, and these give me a little bit more grip. This is the Beatrice hive that was recently slimed out. Look at that. Just running around like nothing's going on. That's not necessarily what you want to see on a screen bottom board. Very curious what's inside. I'm gonna flip this board over so it's nice and clean, and I'm gonna come back over and check on this hive. There is a roach, and yuck. Use this big food scraper. Makes it pretty easy. Another roach. See the difference? Wow. This hive, two dead bees in the front, and then just a little bit of bee poo, some wax. Overall, this hive and bottom board is extremely clean, especially for a 3-year-old hive. Look at this. This is nasty. Oh, gross. This is why you use screen bottom boards and you clean them. Look at that. Would you want to be living with that? Monitoring screen bottom boards is like changing a dirty diaper. It's gross, but it has to be done, and it tells you an awful lot about the health of your hive. That's a Varroa right there. Literally running. That's a Varroa. Right there. When your bees are sick, you have to treat. And when they have that much Varroa on them, they cannot produce well. I mean, just theoretically, if you're sick, you're not going to work that well. If you're sick, you're not going to produce. You're just going to want to lay around, and you're not going to want to do anything. So the healthier your bees are, the better honey production you're going to get. The better quality and faster honey production you're going to get.
This is the Beatrice hive, the hive that was recently slimed out by small hive beetles. As you can see, the queen did survive, doing fairly well, trying to recreate the hive. Several of the frames were drawn out with brand new eggs and larvae. I had added a few frames of drawn honey and comb in there to help her get started, and actually found 3 or 4 new queen cells that I eliminated during the inspection as well. It is fairly evident that I need to add treatment to this hive, especially based on what I saw on the screen bottom board and what I am seeing here. And right now I could swear that I hear a queen piping somewhere, but I cannot find her. I have the one caged, and I'm pretty sure there's another one in here somewhere, but oh well, if there is, they'll do what they need to do.
Lots of bees brood, brand new eggs and larvae, and there's the queen. There she goes. It's funny when you're working bees and something happens, a gust of wind, a sound, maybe they smell something, and all of a sudden the whole frame just woof. It's their way of communicating. Honeybees don't have ears. They don't have sound like we do. They communicate through vibration in their feet and through the comb. That's how they talk and communicate with one another. He's got a big, beautiful queen right there. I don't know. I've always had a very high tolerance for pain. So these things, when I do get them, I don't react like, I don't jerk, I don't, have that stunned reaction that a lot of people would. Because number one, they would react to that. And number two, doesn't do any good. Number three, it's just my way of reacting instead of a knee-jerk, ah! I just kind of, Okay, can we have a little chat here? I'm going to put y'all back together with a super on top. If you don't know where to go, you can go ask Haley's hive or Papa. Papa's right here beside you, okay? Why don't you ask them where they're going, and then you can come back and fill this super for me, okay? You got this, Riley Bug. Sometimes you just have to look at the hive, read the hive, and hope for the best.